Oh, we're going there. We're going to the market.
Yeah.
But first, a little vintage shopping.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah, if we can find it.
they work. Oh, we find some vintage shop here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, just behind the KGB museum in Vilnius, you can see retro. And it's not just for clothing, it's also for all sorts of old things.
Let's see what they get, what they have there. So, what they have there.
Okay.
Okay. So we are here in the market and we ordered two pink soups. They came with boiled potatoes inside on side, and yeah. All right. Bon appetit. Živeli. How do Lithuanians say živeli? I mean chin chin.
You know, I don't know. I should ask.
What you drink?
I'm drinking American Pale Ale. I think it's made by Dundulis Brewery, one of the local breweries. It's very light, very... it's got that hoppy taste of pale ales, but it's not excessive. You would like this, actually.
But I drink cider, pure cider. It's very refreshing for this hot weather.
It's not too hot.
It's not too hot.
Today
yeah.
it's a very pleasant day.
Yeah, it's pleasant, very pleasant. Okay.
What are you eating?
Potato, meat, and sour sauce. Czwarki, how you say in English? Czwarki.
Pork scratchings.
Yes, that one. That one.
Amazing.
and it's very tasty. Meat,
So
meat and potatoes, right?
this place is called Šnekutis beer bar, but also they have some of the best Lithuanian food we have had in this city.
Yeah, traditional. Like we asked one girl previously when we arrived here, where can we find traditional Lithuanian restaurants here, and she said to us that it's like etno dvaras, right? And we've been there and we didn't like it because it's very touristy. But if you like traditional Lithuanian food, you need to came here.
Yeah, you need to come to
Yeah.
Šnekutis. Okay, let me just get the place from the outside so you can recognize it when you come. And it's beautiful inside too. Right, guys, we are now taking a little break from drinking so that we can drink more later on. It's the trick of the old alcoholic. Take about 30 minutes pause between drinks and you can drink all day. But anyways, while we are taking the pause, why don't you subscribe to our channel, press like, enable bell notifications, share, tell your friends, tell your mother, and subscribe for more tips on lifestyle and traveling and just good things. This is a very old toy from medieval times, and it's called Diabolo. This is a reproduction, and the goal is to get the ball in this little scoop over here. Of course, it's a little hard, as you can see.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we are here in We are here in Happy Brew, and Happy Brew is very happy place, excellent craft beer, and I'm drinking Malkas. And in Lithuanian, Malkas means shot, so not very, I mean, creative, but not very interesting. But in Latvian, Malkas means slut. So, and it's not any slut, it's Zenas receptas, and that means old recipe slut. And they even have Moko Malkas, which just means, I guess, professor slut. So, Labdien Latvia. Are we recording? We are here at Happy Brew, and I'm playing with sharp implements. I gotta say, I like this place. It's in Ujapis. They call it Divianka, and not a lot of tourists here. It's mostly locals. A lot of young people, a lot of alternative punk girls. They're very attractive, and well, they got good beer too. Look, 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 look.